So that upper cabinet here, that's all got to come down. I have to take the window valances and curtains all down because some of that interferes with what I'm going to be taking out today. Not today, but down the road here, you can see the seam in the wall there. That's, you know, one full sheet of paneling. So this piece will get changed to match the rest because this stuff is no longer available. I'll be picking out something different that goes better with the trailer. But the probably that seam, you can see that brown stain right there. That window's been leaking, so that'll be something else that'll get taken care of. But I need to get both the nightstands out. Again, this window, you can see at the bottom there how bad that wall on the floor is. The bed here will go away. And remember, this is all temporary too. The furniture will be coming back. I'm hoping that the nightstands aren't in bad shape, that they can be cleaned up and reused, maybe just a new top or something. Once I get that cabinet out, that ceiling panel, and again you can see a seam right there. Those two speakers have to come out, and that ceiling panel will come out, and that wraps down over the back wall where the back wall and the roof meet, so those will both be gone. And then depending on time and space, I'm not sure where I'm going to throw this stuff away at, but the carpeting in here will come out because the floor, when you walk down the side of this trailer here, oh, it is much more firmer now that it's frozen. There it is. You can see how bad that is. And over there as well. And this here that I'm standing on, that is the steel I-beam with a 2x on it. So there's nothing holding me up but the chassis. Alright folks, well here's a little update now. That cabinet's gone. As you can see, it was a little bit more of a headache than I thought. And kind of put my shoulder through that ceiling. That's how bad that was. You can see the wire there for the cabinet, for the lights overhead. I have all of the window treatments and valances and whatnot are down. Same thing for this side. Actually, this one here was already on the floor when I bought the trailer, so that's no love lost there. Something I want to touch on for people, anybody working on older campers, is like these nightstands here. What I found out is just like that overhead cabinet, there are screws. There are no panels that you have to pop out for these particular nightstands. So not all of your cabinets in your camper are going to have a top and a bottom panel. You have to pop one off to get the screws out. These guys here, there appears to be, where that opening is, there appears to be a screw on the exterior of the trailer coming through, holding that thing in place. And unfortunately, that's something that's done on the production line back in the day. They don't do it on new campers anymore because it's a nuisance for any future service that might ever need to be done. It's done before they put the siding on the side of the trailer. So unfortunately, these cabinets, these nightstands, for as bad as the wall is, I was hoping worst case scenario they would just pull out, but they're pretty solid in the wall. So whatever studdings in the wall that those are attached to are apparently still pretty good. So, but the orange color there is like the dye from the carpeting kind of running from all the moisture. And all the white you see is ice, because again, it's 37 degrees outside. But if you can really tell, like in the areas here and over here, that was the original color of this carpet, and you could see between the leak and the dirt how nasty this was. And boy, do I wish. If you folks are interested in this, just stay tuned, and hopefully you like what you see, and you like and subscribe to the channel. I'm not in it for the money, so it doesn't bother me if you do or don't. But maybe this video helps somebody if they're trying to remodel their camper that's got a bad leak in it. Feel free to ask any questions, post any comments, and just kind of go from there. So